Hi friends, this video shows how to connect game controller to Nokia TV Stick. This is a game controller which I am using, red gear, and this is the Bluetooth transmitter and receiver of this game controller, and this is the Y splitter USB cable. So we need this type USB cable. This USB cable has 3 ports. So here we need to connect Bluetooth transmitter and receiver of game controller, and here we need to connect power cable from the power adapter of Nokia TV Stick. So this cable we can connect to Nokia TV Stick. So let me connect it. First I am going to connect this Bluetooth transceiver to this Y splitter cable. Okay, done. Next I am going to connect this power cable to Y splitter. Okay, done. Next we need to connect this Nokia TV Stick to Y splitter. Okay, done. Last step, connect this HDMI cable which is coming from the Nokia TV Stick to TV. So this is the final setup. Let me test it. Take game controller, then press this home button. See, it's connected. See, now I can control using this game controller. See, so this way we can connect game controller to Nokia TV Stick. Please try it.